Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got our fruit for thought, fruit and vegetable themed box, so let's get into it and check it out. This is always such a fun, magically themed box. She has for years worked with fruits and vegetables, but don't think, oh, it's gonna be a carrot box or it's gonna be a broccoli box. It's things like carrot cake or key lime pie or banana split. But recently, I'm gonna start cutting into it. Recently, she has made the announcement that they're going to start expanding and adding ideas to their themes beyond just your basic fruits and veg. It will be fun to see all the new ideas she comes up with because she always does just the most wonderfully themed boxes. This is what her branded tissue paper looks like, and it says Fruit for Thought, and this was sent to me for review. I will put the link below. When we're done looking at this, you can go over and check it out, and with Kathrin 10, you will get 10% off any link subscription you do or in her store. They do special boxes in their store too, so once we get it open, this is what it looks like. We have our paperwork, everything nicely taken care of, and glasses. We have February Je t'aime Paris. So we have started not just your basic fruit and veg theme. So we're going with Je t'aime. And our March theme will be pie shop. Yum. I just want to go on the record. I don't even know why I say that because I'm not a big pie girl, given cookies or cakes, but the thoughts of pie, they always smell so good. I love the idea of the fruit. But when it comes to picking a pie, I'm going to pick like banana cream pie or like a French silk, something that's more pudding-y than pie-y. I'm just telling you right now, I'm making 3 videos today and I'm very talkative. Okay. First out we have, oh, it's a postcard. The Eiffel Tower in pink, and it's Emily Cromwell Designs. I know that because it says it on the back. That is so cute. You know what? I like this a lot, but I have another person in my life who enjoys reading who I think is going to think this is adorable. So it will probably be hers. This says, Paris Dog with Books was illustrated by Emily Cromwell Designs. The design is then professionally printed and made into a cute laminated bookmark. It is very cute. Next out, ooh, we have a big, I'm thinking hand soap maybe? Hand wash. Deep Steep Premium Beauty Limoncello. Who doesn't love limoncello? Hand wash, 17.6 fluid ounces. That is what it looks like. It looks like it's probably wet enough. I have one of these Simply Human ones that you just put your hand under instead of having to touch it, but the hand soaps have to be thin enough to come out nicely, and this looks like it'll work perfectly. Deep Steep's Rich Lathering Argan Hand Wash provides gentle cleansing while moisturizing with oils of argan and olive, and offers a rich, indulgent lather that never dries out your skin. Scented in limoncello, a delightful, refreshingly lemon fragrance with the most subtle citrus notes, bright, crisp, and a hint of sensual. Let's check this out. I love limoncello. We have a local Italian restaurant that has their own, and oh my goodness. Oh, that smells nice. That smells very, very nice. Yes, I will love this. I will enjoy this very much. I will probably put it in my kitchen. Next out, we have, oh, an Eiffel Tower. Oh, what is this? Is it white chocolate? Is it an eraser? I am hoping white chocolate. What does it say? It's, oh, glycerin soap, not edible. I knew I was gonna think it was white chocolate. That is so cute. So it's a little soap. Moisturize and pamper your skin with this handmade artisan 3D Eiffel Tower soap by Plunk Soap Company. Almost too pretty to use, but would look great in a soap dish. Scented in strawberry and infused with pure coconut oil, eco-friendly, high-quality ingredients. Oh, it does. Even through this I haven't done that in a while. You guys want to smell? Even through this bag that's tied at the top, I can smell it. Oh, that smells amazing. Yeah, I might use it. Is that like the worst? Does that make me the worst person ever? It smells so good. Okay, let me know. Do you ever use the decorative soaps? I mean, I wouldn't use somebody else's. I wouldn't go to somebody else's house and use the decorative soap. I'm not a psychopath. But do you ever use your own? Okay. Next up, we have a keychain, and it's the Eiffel Tower. That is so cute. Again, I suspect my girls will end up with this, although you know what, this would be really cute because it looks like a nice, pretty, let me take it out, quality piece. If you have like a backpack or a satchel, your purse, anything like that, that you wanted to put a little decoration on. What's your toxic trait? I have 1,000. One of them is, despite the time of year, 90% of the time, that could be lowballing it, I carry a black purse. So when spring and summer comes, I'm looking for ways to make it zhuzhier and brighter and sparklier. And this would be so cute, like hanging off of the pull of a backpack or something like that. Wouldn't that be so cute? I mean, it's a keychain. Feel free to use it for keys. I'm just trying to find other ideas too. Gold or silver, so you could have gotten gold or silver. Adorable 3D Eiffel Tower keychain is the perfect Paris souvenir. So I received gold, and it's by Chloe Accessory. Oh, it's probably easier with my shirt. That is really cool. Next out, we have Les Anis de Flavor. Les Anis de Flavin. I can't. It's a French mint, and down below it says blackcurrant. Although the anise makes me think licorice, but anise is not licorice. I can have anise, but that is what that looks like. Sugar, natural flavoring, green anise seed, blackcurrant extract. Still made within the walls of the ancient abbey. Each delicate anise de Flavigny. Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. I'm trying to say this. I can't even imagine how poorly I am saying it. French is not my... Let's try it one more time. Anise de Flavigny. Am I close? Phonetically do it. Somebody out there speaks really good French, and right now they're thinking, Kathrin, stop saying it. It conceals an anise seed in its heart. Anise seeds are carefully sourced to produce a warm, spicy flavor and a remarkably aromatic scent. Over the course of 15 days, the seeds are tumbled over one another and gradually become covered in fine, successive layers of eco-certified organic, unrefined sugar. This patient, delicate work transforms each seed into the smooth white candy we all love, flavored with blackcurrant. That is such a lovely story. I am not the biggest fan of the anise flavor. Oh, it smells like blackcurrant though. That said, the story is lovely. I can already smell the blackcurrant. I have to try and get these off of here without making a mess. I don't want to drop them. Oh, I don't know what I expected, but I mean, I know it said little white, but I don't know what I expected. They smell magical. I can't sit here and suck on a hard candy, but I will absolutely be trying one of these. That is really, really lovely. I love this because this is not something that I ever would have found or tried here. It is made in France. Although I will say I have ordered the Universal Yums. I did a poll on my Insta about whether you guys would rather see a meal subscription or a snack box, and it was almost 50-50 at the end. I mean, it was just right there. So I think I'm gonna do both, but I've already ordered the Universal Yums. Having nothing to do with this. Next out, we have stickers. Paper House 3D stickers, and they are all Paris. This is so cool. You know what this would be fantastic for? I love how I'm telling you how other ways you could use it. If you do scrapbooking and you do pages of, say, your Disney trip, and you have really good pictures of Ratatouille, the new ride, that was fantastic. That was so much fun, Ratatouille. This would be a really fun way to help decorate that page. Wouldn't it be perfect? Love that. That is really nice. And can you tell they're the 3D ones? So they have the stickers on the back because they stand up. These are really nice, and there's 10 pieces. The paperwork says, Paris 3D stickers by Paper House Productions are a great way to embellish your craft projects. Their dimensional stickers are bestsellers and take your scrapbooking, card making, and more to a whole new level. So that is fun. And I think last out, is it true? Last out? Yes, last out we have Candy Club Je T'aime Paris 6 ounces. I don't know what they are yet, but they look delicious. Let's find out what they are, and we can have one as long as we can have one. Candy Club Favorite Places Collection. Delicious dried cherries, first coated in creamy milk chocolate, then layered with a light white chocolate. These rich red chocolate cherries by Love Candy Company will leave you ready to travel to the most romantic city and scream, I love you, Paris, from the Je T'aime Paris collection. I can eat all of those things. We're gonna give one of these a try. Oh my gosh, it just instantly cherry. Instantly cherry. Then you get the chocolate. Can you see? Let me see. I'm gonna try and bite it in half without making too much of a mess so that I can show you guys the inside. It just looks like candy. I just probably edited most of that out because there's not much worse when you're watching one of these videos than just hearing the mouth sounds. Oh my goodness. if you enjoy cherry and chocolate, run. Do not wait. These are delicious. What a Je t'aime Perry. What a fun theme. So this, I think, is the first one. Is this the first one? I think it's the first one that is not technically fruit or vegetable themed. This is Je t'aime Perry, and it was still a fantastic theme. We got our Deep Steep Limoncello hand wash, the Perry 3D stickers, the really cute bookmark, the amazing black currant made in an abbey candies that I will absolutely be trying. These magical chocolate cherries. You guys know I usually get my hubs up here and have him taste with me. Nobody mentions the cherries, nobody gets hurt. We have our not white chocolate. This is not food, do not eat it. It is soap. Let me know, do you ever just use the decorative soaps? I mean, I could just set it in there and look at it and be sad every day I'm not touching it, or I could touch it, then it's gone, but then I've enjoyed it. I don't know. And this really cute Eiffel Tower keychain. Let me show you the box. My new thing is when I'm done and I'm showing you guys the recap, I've been trying to put it back in the box nicely for my flat lays, and oh look, she's pretty. Such a cute theme. I will put the information down below in the description with her link, and Kathrin 10 will get you 10% off your first subscription no matter what the length is, and also in her shop for the special boxes she does. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and go eat a couple more of those cherries, which I should not do, but here we are. Bye guys, have a great evening.